Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to make and bake croissants. So let's get started. For the dry ingredients we will need 5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon yeast, if winter add half tablespoon more, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon sugar. And for the wet ingredients we will need 1 cup water, 1 cup warm milk, 1 egg white and half cup vegetable oil. And the ingredients will be in the description box down below. And now in a large size bowl, we need to pour the water. Now add your warm milk. Add the yeast. Add the salt and sugar. Add the egg white. And add the oil. Now whisk for 5 minutes. Now insert the dough hook. And let's start adding the flour. First cup, second cup, third cup, and fourth cup. And mix it for 5 minutes. And now let's scrape down the sides and keep mixing. Here it is. Now we need to add the fifth cup. Let's add it and mix. And finally, here is the dough. It must be soft and a bit sticky. Now here I'm gonna knead the dough one more time with my hand a bit. And there. Now here I have greased my hands with oil and let's knead it a little bit just in the air like this. Just keep kneading. As you can see, it's stretchy. Now let's place it back in its own place. Now cover its surface and keep it in a dark and warm place until the dough rises. It may take 1 to 2 hours. And here it is after a few hours. It has risen. Now let's open it and start working on it. First let's remove its sides from the bowl like this. And sprinkle some flour on the table, just a little bit more. And remove the dough and place it on the table and sprinkle some more flour on the top of the dough. And now let's divide it into 16 pieces, just like that. This will be half and fourth, and now 8, and these will be 16 pieces. Now take one out, sprinkle some flour and knead it a little bit in your hand. Keep rolling it. Make a ball just like this and place it aside. Now let's do the same with the rest of the dough. Here they are, and make sure they have space in between them because they are about to rise. Now with a clean cloth, cover its surface and let them rise for 30 minutes. And here they are after half an hour. Let's place them aside one by one. Now let's take one, sprinkle some flour on the table and flat it a bit just like you're watching in the video. And we're done. Now here, as you can see, I have melted the butter. Let's pour and spread 1.5 tablespoon of butter on the flattened dough until it covers the surface. Now take the other one, do the same, flat it like that, and place it on the first dough we made, like that. Then again, pour and spread the melted butter on top of it, and repeat the same with the rest of the dough. And finally, this will be the last one. Now place a bowl upside down on top of the dough like that. Now let sit for 10 minutes. This is because that the dough must absorb the butter to itself. Now unplace the bowl. Sprinkle some flour on the table again like that. Now let's flat the dough. At first use your hands. Just keep pressing the dough until it's a bit flat. And now use the roller. Just keep flattening until the dough is 1 centimeter tall. And don't forget, keep sprinkling flour on top and bottom of the dough so it should not stick on the table. And here it is, the dough is well flattened. Now we need to cut the dough into 16 pieces, like this. And make these small cuts at the end of each piece, just like you're watching in the video. Now to fill the croissants, you can place anything you want or you can even leave it empty. So here I'm using crushed chocolates, or you can use chocolate chips too. And only in 3 pieces I would like to place some cream cheese. The rest will be filled with chocolate chips, just like that. And now, as you can see in the video, just like that, roll the dough from top to the end, like that. And now place it in a greased tray. Now do the same with the rest of the dough. Here they are all done, and for now we need to cover their surface with a clean cloth and let them sit for 1 hour. After an hour, here they are. Now we need to spread a mixture of egg yolk and few drops of milk on top of the uncooked croissants. And now we need to keep it in the oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Before doing that, first let's go and check what's for healthy tip today. Strawberries are bright red, juicy, and sweet. They are an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese and also contain decent amounts of folate and potassium. Strawberries are very rich in antioxidants and plant compounds, which may have benefits for heart health and blood sugar control. Finally, there they are. After baked, they are looking so good and I can't wait to taste them. So now, keep them aside. Now in a plate, let's place these delicious hot croissants. Alright, now I'm placing them on a plate one by one. After placing them, I'm going to show you how it has been baked. The first tray is done. Now let's begin the second tray. 4 more left. And now 2 more left. And there they are. And now as you can see, its top and bottom has baked very well. Now I'm going to divide the croissant. This will be the first layer of the croissant. And let me bring it closer to you so you can see it better. And now let's split the croissant. Look at its inner part. It has baked and looks so good. And lastly, that's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe because my next video is going to be chicken sandwich rolls. So go subscribe and ring the bell. I'm sure you'll be notified when I post my new video. Bye and see you in my next video.